Hello and welcome to my new storytelling tutorial. Today I'm showing you a storytelling game that you can play with others or just by yourself when you're waiting for the bus or have some time to spare and do not want to spend it on your phone. What you do is pick, for example, an object or a known fact and ask why, as in, why is that so? Then you ask this question 5 times in a row. Here's an example. Why is a banana bent? Because it has grown like that. Why? So it is easier to transport it in the bow of a ship. Why? Because bananas do not grow everywhere on this planet, and people in Alaska also like bananas. Why? Because eating fish every day gets boring. Why? Because the chips have run out. And of course, your answers do not have to be logical or sensical. Feel free to be as silly as you like. Here are a few more things you can question with why. Why are lemons sour? Why does smoke curl? Why do ping pong balls bounce? Have a go at 5 times why and leave logic behind. See you in my next storytelling DIY tutorial.